Imagine this. You visit a website, click a simple link, and without realizing it, you've just handed a hacker the keys to your network, bypassing your router's security. Sounds terrifying, right? This technique is called NAT pinning, and today I'll show you exactly how it works. This video is going to be short and straight to the point. Actually, scratch that. This is a crucial security topic, so let's break it down properly and make sure you fully understand it. Before we dive into the attack, let's talk about NAT, or Network Address Translation, the security feature that's supposed to protect you but can be tricked into exposing your devices. Think of it like this. Your router is like a gatekeeper. It assigns private IP addresses to your devices, your phone, laptop, smart TV, all while using a public IP to talk to the internet. Without NAT, your devices would be exposed directly to the internet, making them an easy target for hackers. That's why most home networks feel safe until they're not. Now, this is where NAT pinning comes in. It's a hacking technique that tricks your router into opening ports that should remain closed. Once that happens, a hacker can send data directly to your private devices without your permission. This attack often relies on a method called NAT slipstreaming, where hackers abuse specific network protocols like SIP, FTP, or WebRTC to fool your router into thinking it's handling a legitimate request. Let's break it down step by step. First, you visit a malicious website, maybe from an ad, a phishing email, or even a link in a comment section. Then the site secretly runs JavaScript that sends crafted network packets using protocols like SIP or WebRTC. Then your router mistakenly opens a port, thinking it's a real request from inside your network. Now, the hacker can send commands directly to your devices without you ever knowing. If you're thinking, does this really happen? The answer is yes. Here are some real-world dangers of NAT pinning. Hackers have been able to spy on security cameras by tricking the router into forwarding camera feeds. Some have used it to inject malware into smart TVs or home assistants. In worse cases, attackers have turned compromised devices into part of a botnet, using them to launch massive cyber attacks on companies and even governments. Okay, enough of the scary stuff. Let's talk about how you can stay protected from NAT pinning. Here's what you need to do right now. First, disable UPnP or Universal Plug and Play on your router. This feature allows devices to request ports automatically, which is exactly what hackers exploit. Then use a strict firewall. Configure your router to block unwanted inbound and outbound traffic. Don't forget to update your router's firmware. Many manufacturers patch security vulnerabilities in updates. Then use secure browsers. Some browsers block malicious JavaScript that can trigger NAT pinning attacks. Want extra security? Here are 2 more things you can do. Use a VPN. A VPN encrypts your traffic, making it harder for attackers to manipulate your router's NAT. And change your DNS settings. Using a secure DNS provider like Cloudflare or Google can help block known malicious sites automatically. Hackers are always evolving, finding new ways to break into networks. So let me ask you, have you ever checked your router's security settings? If not, now's the time. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more cybersecurity tips, and share this with someone who needs to know. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next one. And don't forget this, one life, one shot, make it count.